Listening to Michael Phelps the other day, because it's interesting now, because now he's now a retired swimmer. He's done all of his Olympic, and most decorated Olympian in history. Likely will never be touched again. I couldn't imagine someone touching him again in the amount of stuff. And he said for 5 years, every single day, he went to the pool. Now, I'm not saying that's the right thing to do. I'm sure there's lots of conversation around that. But the reality is, though, every day he got up and went to the pool and stared at a black line all day long. And he said there was lots of days I didn't want to do it, but those are the days that I had to go because either A, I'd break my streak, which sometimes it just gets boiled down to that gets you there, or B, I wouldn't achieve the things I want in my life. And I think realtors forget about that. We get up, we watch some TV, we do these things and we kind of hide in that. Your day in the life is always structured and routines in a business that is not structured and is filled with a little bit of chaos and stress. That's the key to a day in the life of a realtor.